Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, folks. Today we are looking at Stormx. I like Stormx. This is going to be a hidden sleeper, in my opinion, not financial or trading advice, but I do think that Stormx has a great thing going for them with their debit cards, and you can get Stormx or crypto back as rewards. I am signed up for a Stormx rewards card or a debit card. No, they are not sponsoring this video, full disclosure on that, but we are currently seeing it trade under 3 cents. Before we get into this, check me out on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where I'm dropping news, info on upcoming videos, charts, things I find interesting. And also, I just wanted to thank everyone for 100,000 views in the last 28 days. It's been an incredible ride, and you guys are a big part of that, and this channel would be nothing without you. And that sounds cheesy, but I truly appreciate each and every single one of you watching the video. So if you could at some point just go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe, it would be awesome, and I would sincerely appreciate that. So thank you so much to everyone who's making this YouTube channel successful, because I couldn't do it without you. And I definitely appreciate it. So right now, the Stormx is still looking good. From the last time we left off, we'll kind of get into this design here that you're seeing, these trend lines. But Stormx is squeezing hard into this symmetrical triangle. Now we can see that this has really been a battle of the spinning tops the last month, meaning the bulls and bears are tugging away, but really no side is prevailing. I do think that on the weekly chart, we are too far away from this cloud here. But in addition, we are bouncing off the 50 moving average. So I do think that I wouldn't be surprised to see Stormx come up and at least retest this 5, maybe 6 cent level if things start breaking away to the upside. Now we do have one other option for Stormx, and we'll zoom in on this chart here down to like a 4 hour in just a second, but we might be seeing an opportunity for Stormx to really create this ascending triangle above the cloud, and this would be huge. I mean, we would see Stormx really excel possibly sometime late December, early January to the upside. So let's go ahead and look at this on a daily chart. And this is important. In the last video I did on Stormx, I was speculating that this would be the perfect channel for Stormx to kind of come on in through with price action to bounce through this Ichimoku cloud. You can see how hard it is for price action to pass through this cloud when it's thicker. So we can know that this is going to be one of the last opportunities for price action to prevail through the cloud in an uptrend. We are seeing these lows continue to get higher, and I would hate to see price action break that trend. So this is sitting good. Stormx is sitting really good, and that's one thing I like about Stormx. On the daily chart, we've got the price action right alongside, squeezing in between the 50 and the 200 conversion lines on top of the baseline. So if we start seeing this conversion line arc to the upward position, we will start to see price action react violently, kind of like what we saw right in here. Conversion line arcs upward, price action takes off. And so this is what I want to see happen right through this channel, and I want to see us go at least up to almost 6 cents. So I do think that Stormx is about to kill it. Not financial or trading advice, but we can really see if we zoom in on a 4 hour chart how badly Stormx is squeezing right now. We're seeing these lows get higher, we're seeing the highs get lower, and price is just coiling up like a spring. So I would definitely say buy, like I said, Man, if you watch some of my other videos, I keep coming across these November 17th, November 18th, November 19th dates in the market where there's going to be huge movement. And I hope Bitcoin's not gearing up for a crash, because that would be devastating. But there is something that is going to happen here within the next week with the market. I can almost guarantee you that. So just keep your eyes on the portfolio, especially around the 17th, 18th, 19th, give or take a day or two. So with that said, I do think that Stormx has a good chance at about 6 cents if we can get this thing ripping in the right direction. So right now, this is just more of a quick update on Stormx, in that it is looking pretty dang good to me right now. So I think that only time will tell. We'll know within the next week what's going to happen. Just let's take another peek at this 1 week chart with Stormx. And so yeah, man, you can kind of see what I'm saying. If we start getting an uptrend and can squeeze through this cloud here on the weekly over the next 3 or 4 weeks, Stormx is going to set up to crush all-time highs for sure. No doubt about that. So with that said, folks, follow me on Twitter at Real6Fig. Big shout out to all the Patreons. I appreciate all of your support. If you're interested in becoming a Patreon, it's $3 a name, or $3 a month. Get your name, YouTube name, business name, whatever name you want up on this banner. You guys all have a wonderful weekend wherever you are at in the world.